Hello friend, welcome to our channel Keto Food Diary. Today we are going to share one of my favorite keto dessert, which is keto strawberry chocolate mousse. We need only 6 ingredients and 10 minutes to prepare it. We don't need any kind of baking or cooking for this recipe. It is extremely easy to make. So without wasting time, let's start. To make this recipe, we need peanut butter, unsweetened cacao powder. Next, we need any kind of sweetener. So here we are using erythritol, but you can use any of your preferred sweetener such as xylitol or stevia. Next, we need pinch of cinnamon powder just to give a flavor. If you don't like cinnamon, then you can use vanilla extract or you can completely omit it. Next, we need a full fat heavy cream. In this cream, we have 35% fat. Next, we need 2 medium-sized strawberry. To prepare, we will add 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, which is approximately 33 grams. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of raw cacao powder, which is approximately 2 to 3 grams. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of our sweetener. Next, we will add our heavy cream, which is approximately 18 to 20 grams. Now mix everything homogeneously, and then finally we'll get this kind of smooth paste. Now finely chop your strawberry. And finally add them in your chocolate mousse. Add pinch of cinnamon. Now your keto strawberry chocolate mousse is ready. Enjoy! I hope you will give it a try, and if you like our recipe, please let us know in the comment section. If you are interested to learn more keto recipe, please subscribe to our channel. See you. Bye bye.